Who is the Igwe of NNEWI?
Good question. His Majesty.
Who is the Igwe of NNEWI? So please, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, please, who is the president of Nigeria? Don't touch my mic.
Thank you for the question. The name of the president of Nigeria is Dr. Mohammed. Dr. Mohammed.
What is the name of the wife of the chairman of Capital Oil?
Thank you for the question.
She have no idea.
Next person is Miss UGWUMBA. If you are elected as the first female president of Nigeria, what 3 things or priority areas will you tackle, please?
Thank you for the question. First of all, I'll make a budget. Secondly, I'll make sure that all the youths are into something. Thirdly, I'll create something that will be useful to everybody. Thank you.
As I've said, I will maintain status quo on what we call professionalism. I will now ask the judges to move on to the next, and also
if you emerge as the winner of this pageant, how will you feel and how will you use your position?
Thank you very much. I'll be the happiest girl ever. And what I will introduce entrepreneurship. I will introduce entrepreneurship in the process whereby I will bring up the girl child that should know something like skill acquisition. For example, I will impart some knowledge in bead making. I will also look into agriculture because with the level of Nigeria where they are, I will let my own down from them. Thank you.
Did you hear her? All right, your name, please.
okay. So please, the next question to Miss
UGWUMBA, please.
Okay. Please, who is a model? Don't touch my mind. Thank you.
Thank you for the question. A model is a person who promotes or advertises products or goods, either through photography or videos.
I think this question is professionally right. Thank you very much.
Next is Miss Abobo. All right, Miss Abobo, welcome. Your question is this: who won the most beautiful girl in Nigeria pageant in 1987? That relinquished it on account of marriage.
Thank you for the question. No idea.
Thank you very much. Please, who is a beauty queen?
The beauty queen is a person who is beautiful, both in character-wise, face, and everything. It's not just all about beauty. Being beautiful, but it's also all about being beautiful, both in your character and the way you associate with people.
Please, I would like the next beauty queen to speak up. It is important the audience will follow you.
Hold on, please. You are Miss Wu.
Always a column. I'm here. Next person is Miss UGWUMBA, if you are elected as the first female president of Nigeria, what 3 things or priority areas will you tackle, please?
Thank you for the question. First of all, I'll make a budget. Secondly, I'll make sure that all the youths are into something. Thirdly, I'll create something that will be useful to everybody. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Please, what is the name of the First Lady of Anambra State? Please, what is your...
She's Miss Obuno.
Okay, Miss Obuno, what is the name of the First Lady of Anambra State?
Her name is Mrs. IGBOMOVIES.
Thank you very much. Permission from the judges. I think she's professionally right. Thank you.
All right, so let's move on. Up next is Miss Obunebu. Welcome on board. What are the major security challenges currently facing Nigeria as a developing country?
First of all, thank you very much for that question. We have our economic problem. Nigeria, as we all know, is in chaos and everything. And we pray in Nigeria that the next president will take us forward. Thank you.
All right, let's go.
What is her name? Your Miss?
Just Miss Ndiogwe, please.
Miss Ndogwe.
Ndiogwe, not Ndogwe.
Okay, thank you very much. Please, who is the president of Nigeria? Don't touch my line.
Thank you for the question. The name of the president of Nigeria is Dr. Mohammed.
Thank you very much. Please, Miss what?
This is Miss Ndiaku.
Miss Ndiaku, what will you do if you eventually win the crown as the queen of the most beautiful girl in the kingdom?
Firstly, thanks for the question. If actually, firstly, I'll try to prepare the form and creating school application, entrepreneurship, and creating job opportunities for people.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And also, please, the next queen,
Miss Ekulu.
Miss Ekulu. What is the name of the wife of the chairman of Capital Oil?
Thank you for the question.
She have no idea. Thank you very much.
All right, Miss Ezekwabo, I will ask you a personal question. If you are asked to change anything in your body, what will you change?
Thanks for the question. If I'm asked to change anything in my body, I wouldn't change anything because I'm perfect the way I am. Because God created me.
Well done. Ms. Okofia, quickly please. What is your take on breast cancer?
Breast cancer is a disease that tends to damage the personality of a woman and render her useless.
Colleague.
Please, Miss Obuno, who is the CEO of Capital Oil?
The CEO of Capital Oil is Dr. Ifeanyichukwu Patrick Uba.
All right, next, ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, is Miss Ezeogugu. Miss Ezeogugu, please, I'm going to hit you with this question. When you look at yourself in the mirror, what do you see?
Thank you for that question. I see a beauty queen
for seeing